How to buy UPC codes for any platform with GS1. To get legitimate UPC barcodes for your products that will be recognized anywhere in the world, you must obtain them directly from GS1, the official global standards organization. Open your web browser and navigate to the official GS1 website for your specific country. This ensures you get codes valid in your region and beyond. Look for a button that says Buy Barcodes Now. This usually initiates the process of applying for a GS1 company prefix, which is the unique set of numbers assigned to your company. All your UPCs will start with this prefix. Once you're on the application page, you'll typically find a section outlining the pricing tiers. Select the quantity tier that best fits your current and anticipated product needs. It is often more cost-effective per barcode to buy a larger block if you plan to expand. Click Add to Cart or select Plan for your chosen quantity. Proceed to the checkout. You'll typically enter your company and billing informations, use your bank account details, credit card, or other accepted payment methods to complete the purchase.